Multiply 13 by 2.8 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Put 4 in this column and carry 2. 8 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 10. The first partial product is 104. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. The second partial product is 260. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the tens column, 0 plus 6 is 6. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 2 is 3. The whole negative number product is 364. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 364 becomes 36.4. So 13 times 2.8 is 36.4.